Mounting your motorcycle PIKEPASS transponder has never been easier. The top piece of the PIKEPASS is what will go on your motorcycle's headlamp. The bottom portion you will keep for your records. First, determine a mounting location on the headlamp 2 inches away from metallic vehicle parts. Then, clean and dry the area. Next, take the PIKEPASS and gently peel away from its backing. When placing the PIKEPASS, press the transponder to the headlamp firmly, making sure to avoid sharply bending or folding the sticker. Do not attempt to remove the sticker once in place, and that's it. Make sure your license plate number and state issuer is up to date on your PIKEPASS account, and you'll be ready to travel on all of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas turnpikes, and certain toll roads in Colorado and Florida at the lowest guaranteed rate. The Oklahoma Turnpike Authority thanks you for choosing PIKEPASS. Safe, efficient, reliable.